Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something smoky, but also with a pop of color. It is so beautiful out today. It is 60 degrees in the middle of February, which is not normal for New Jersey weather, but I'll take it. I'd rather obviously 60-degree weather, sunny, nice with a slight breeze, than 10 degrees and a blizzard outside. So it's feeling a little like spring outside, so I wanted to pop on a little bit of spring on my eyes. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Matte Evans. I'm starting off with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush and running this shadow through my crease. I always start off with this brush when I apply my transition shade just because it's fluffier and not as dense and it buffs out the shadow really nicely. I'm now going into Matte Reed. Now applying this shadow through my crease with my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm applying it all the way into that inner part of my crease, going back and forth, and then do little circular motions to start blending the shadow out. And then with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to start packing on that shadow on my lid. And because this brush is shorter and denser, it's going to be great to pack on shadow and build intensity. And then I always bring back my transition shade, so going back into Matte Evans again on my E38 and just sweeping that at the very high point of my crease. And look at how nicely it blends it out. So I wiped off my E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma, and I'm picking up Matte Evans and just sweeping that along my lash line. And now with Matte Reed and my E15 flat definer brush by Sigma, I'm applying this really close to my lash line. And then when it comes to my inner corner, I'm going to apply it first right here and then slightly drop that down on an angle. And then start just blending that out and smoking it out. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil in M30. I'm now going to line my waterline. I'm now going into the NYX Cosmetics Prismatic Eyeshadow in Mermaid. Now with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm first applying this on this inner corner. Look at how pretty this shadow is. I am obsessed with it. And then with my Sigma E06 wing liner brush, I'm going to apply the same shadow on this inner corner. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL21. And that's the eye look done. For my lips now, I'm going to go into the Pixie X Maria Maquillage lipstick in Posh Nude. It is such a pretty nude. This has been one of my favorites lately. And that is it. This is a completed look of my cool tone brown smoky eye with a pop of turquoise. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed with how this look turned out. I love that pop of color. I feel like it's perfect to introduce the spring weather and just to add a little pop of color to your life. And I'm loving it. I honestly want to try this with every color: green, purple, yellow. I think I really want to do a pink. I feel like with pink it would look so pretty. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also list up all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier and shop away easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!